Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Google Pay bank server unavailable. This issue can be fixed by following the troubleshooting steps. The first step is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Update Google Pay to the latest version. 3. You can restart your devices to resolve any temporal issues. 4. Verify that your bank is supported by Google Pay. Next, you can clear Google Pay cache by going to settings, clicking on apps, clicking on Google Pay, clicking on storage, clicking on clear cache. It's as simple as that. And let me give you additional tips. You can check bank server status, verify if your bank servers are experiencing downtime or maintenance. Try using Google Pay later if the issue is temporal. You can also reach out to Google Pay support team for further assistance. You can contact your bank support team to verify if there are any issues on their end. Now, if the issue persists, provide more details about the specific error message or situation, and they will answer it. Don't forget to contact your bank support team and provide more details about the specific error message or situation to them.